Today we held an event at Vulcan Works. The event was a special interest group with the focus being electronics. We focused on design for cost, time and materials. Then we transferred the discussion into design for manufacturing. And then we ended with compliance and making sure your IoT products were fit for cybersecurity.
It was a really good and engaging event. We sat in round tables, and so I think that gave people a slightly more intimate opportunity to speak, talk to their neighbor, and have a bit of discussion, not just sit there the whole time and listen, but also be actively involved in the discussion.
I thought it was a really good event. It's the first one I've been to, and from the moment I arrived, I was having really useful conversations.
The SIGs are great because you can look more in depth at certain areas, and then it brings in people to a room that do have more in common than you might find at a more general event.
It just gives us a terrific opportunity for networking and for meeting like-minded souls, discussing ideas. The talks were fantastic, so all in all, a really successful morning for me.